Hi everyone, it's Clea, your instructor for Writing for Digital Spaces, and in this impromptu, unscripted, undoubtedly to be imperfect video, I wanted to show you how I use Canva for social media graphics and for marketing inspiration. Canva is a great resource that you can use to build infographics, slide presentations, social media posts, because it gives you a lot of examples to start out with that are very easy to customize and update to suit your needs. And they also have already worked out the perfect sizing and layouts depending on different social media channels. So for example, I'm just at canva.com on the home page. And I can see that if I wanted to create a design, I can switch to a specific tab. And for example, if I want to get an Instagram post, I select that. It automatically gives me a size of the thing that is perfect for Instagram posts, and I can scroll down to search for some inspiration. I'm kind of liking this one. You'll notice that Canva makes it very easy to update text. Summer, 10% off. Sure, that makes sense, but just to illustrate. You can title your post here, so let me just say demo. And from there, you can download, you can post to Twitter, Facebook, etc., share a link. Let's go ahead and see what that link option looks like. So this might be a little bit familiar. I did some earlier lecture videos using Canva and sharing a link in our course site. Let's take a look at some other options. So I want to go back home. This is saved already to my account, so I can simply close the tab. And let's take a look at all of my designs. So you can see that I use Canva for a lot of different purposes. I use them for our course graphics, but also things for my various other jobs, and for some of my most fun Zoom virtual backgrounds. Meerkats are the best, truly. I also really like this one, What's on Your Mind? So you'll notice that a few of these I've just gotten started because I want to come back to them later. For example, I'm working on some training resources at NYU, and I really like this template. It'll save me time in terms of making, like custom animations because they just give me some wonderful options to get started with. And I won't go into the ins and outs of what you can do. I just want to show you how you can find some more inspiration for now. So let's take a look at Let's look at templates. And I would like to explore marketing. I know I saw that somewhere. All right, we have presentations, but let me just search for it. There we go, marketing presentations. You'll get a little preview of everything. So you can page through what is available before you go ahead and use this. And ultimately, I like to save my inspiration in one place. So this is where I'm going to go a little nutty and combine the Canva tutorial with another tool that I really like, which is Notion. I've been using Notion for note-taking and trying to organize my life. It's working out to various degrees of success, but let's give something a try. So I downloaded the Notion web clipper. And I want to say that I want to go ahead and save this page. So let's say it is a marketing presentation to a workspace in Notion. I created this mood board. I want to save it to that. Let's go ahead and do that and see what it looks like in Notion. So that's wonderful. It just made a brand new page. I can also add screenshots. So I'm going to just take a screenshot of this right here just to give myself a visual reminder. And I'll paste that here. So this is my latest favorite note-taking tool because it makes it very easy for me to organize everything in one spot. I can also add reminders for myself, like if I want to look at this next Tuesday at 3 o'clock, it's going to send me an email alert. There's a lot more tutorials on Notion itself and on Canva, of course, on their own websites. So I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. It's already over 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is about what I aim for as a max video length. But just notice, how a tool like this could be useful in terms of helping you collect ideas when it comes to writing content, crafting social media posts, whatever the task might be. I like collecting these in one space. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.